Alrighty guys, so I'm going to make a small patch cable just because the extender is going to be so close to the outlet there. So, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe we'll need about a foot or so. I've got my nice little crimper tool here. It has a cutter on it and a bunch of other tools, stripper, whatnot. So, I'm going to do maybe about a foot. Just give us a little bit of space. So right here in this little Platinum Tools crimper, I've got the stripper right here, so I'm going to put the cable right in. We're going to strip that off. And what you do is you bend this, break the plastic, and you've got your 4 sets of wires here for 8 total. So this is actually your wire splitter, if you will. It's free. So all you have to do is put it in between the 2 wires, and you can separate them. Your wire separator, I should say. I'm sorry. And what I do is really try to straighten it out. So put this in the middle. Put the wire in the middle of this. Push down as hard as you can, and try to make that wire nice and smooth. So now you want to put all the wires together. You want your orange, your white orange, orange. And you're gonna have your white green, your blue. See, these aren't straight. It makes it a pain in the butt to get them in your head. So we're gonna have our light blue here. See if we can get it over here. You're gonna have your solid green, light or your white brown, and then your brown. Okay. You can use something to kind of straighten these out. You don't want to snap the wires inside and have any breaks in them, but you want to get them as straight as possible, make it easier on you. So once you have them in the order they're supposed to be in, you're going to cut these tips off because they have some pretty bad curves in them. So you want your little prong here to be facing away from you. You're going to push all the wires in. Hopefully I can get this on the first time. It looks like they're already starting to curl. Let's see, maybe I got them. Looks like I might have gotten it. Nice, first time, that's good. So just make sure you have your wires in the right order, because sometimes they will overlap and push into the wrong hole as you're pushing through. So I'm just taking a look. It looks like we have them all correct. And what you want to do, since we untangled these, you want to push the little head here all the way up as far as you can to make sure that signal doesn't get dropped out. So you got it all the way to the top. We have our little crimper here, crimping tool. Let's see if we can get all these wires through. We're going to crimp down. And what this does, obviously it cuts off all the excess wire right there. But it also pushes these metal pins down into each wire, so it actually touches the copper inside these, and then makes a connection. So once you plug this into a jack, it can, make the connection. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and speed it up. That way you guys don't have to sit through and watch that. Alright guys, our patch cable's done.